How to list my car on booking.com. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can list a car on booking.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on booking.com, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is booking.com, it is a leading online travel agency that connects travelers with a vast array of accommodations including hotels, apartments, and unique properties. And also the platform features over 28 million listings across more than 220 countries and territories, allowing users to easily compare options based on price, location, and amenities. And also the user experience is enhanced through various features such as customizable search filters, mobile accessibility via dedicated apps. And from here, by clicking these car rentals, it will show us in here some of the popular rental companies that offer. We have here Europcar, Hertz, Sofrite.ph, Enterprise, Viajero, and many more. So from here, in order to start listing your own car, to be part of this car rentals feature of booking.com, it will show us in here that there is no actually direct listing process of a specific car in here. But you could also use some other rental companies such as this rentalcars.com, which is by booking.com also, in which is part of Booking Holdings. The platform empowers users to compare prices and book vehicles from a wide range of suppliers, ensuring maximum choice and competitive rates. And also the platform is designed to simplify car rental by allowing users to filter options based on their preferences, including vehicle type and rental conditions. But also from here, same as booking.com, there's also not directly kinds of methods that you can do to list your car in here as a rental car. But we could also use some other platform which is also offer the same services, which is this Turo.com, wherein it is a leading peer-to-peer car sharing platform based in San Francisco, allowing private vehicle owners to rent out their cars directly to users, in which Turo provides a marketplace where hosts can list their vehicles and set rental prices while guests can browse a diverse selection of cars that range from everyday vehicle to luxury models. And also this platform emphasizes flexibility and convenience, enabling users to book cars without the traditional hassles associated with rental agencies. And from here, to start listing your car, just go to the footer section, and under this hosting, just click this list your car button in here, in which upon doing so, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you how you can get started on listing your car in here, and also some of the benefits included. So just proceed by clicking get started button in here, and upon doing so, you'll be able to be directed in here, where you could also start logging in or continue using your email account in here, Apple ID, or even Google account. And in those options, I'm going to choose to sign in using my Google account. And after signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on the page in which you need to agree to the terms of service and also email updates if you want to. That will send you a promotion and announcement via email. And after that, the next thing that you need to do in here is you simply fill out all of this required information such as your license plate number and also photos of your car in here, in which guests need to see your car before they book it. So just proceed by clicking start button below here to proceed, in which the first thing that we need to do is simply enter here our location. And it says here that Turo needs your location to ensure that they operate where you are. So let's say I'm going to enter California in here. And after that, just proceed by simply filling out the required information or this address on this pop-up window, such as the city, the street address, zip code or postal code, and many more. Then you'd also select or enter here or adjust the pin of your car location. But you need to make sure that the select location in here must be the same in the country that you enter on your address. To just click confirm location in order to proceed. However, you need to make sure that your address and location are the same. And after that, you will be directed in here under this VIN, in which you need to enter your vehicle identification number to identify your specific car. And also from here, you could also check these boxes below, which indicate that your vehicle is older than 1981. But if you cannot find the VIN, you can click this button right here, and it will show you where you can find it, in which you can find it on your driver's side door, driver's side dashboard, or even documentation in here. So you can simply check your car title, registration, or insurance document in here. And by clicking the view all step on the top right corner, it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can start listing your car in here. You also need to enter here your profile photo, your mobile number in here, your driver's license, your goals, car availability, car details, car photos, and even payout section in here. And aside from that, if you scroll down, it will show you in here that you also need to fill out the city and quality standard and submit your listing after that. So this is basically the step-by-step process on how you can start listing your car to be part of car rentals on this platform that's supported by booking.com also. So basically all of these requirements or qualification are also the same requirements that needed in booking.com, such as you need to have a valid vehicle ownership, insurance coverage, compliance with local regulation, quality standard, pricing and availability, and also profile setup in here. And after filling out the required information or submitting all of the qualification, all you need to do is to simply wait for their email in which they will message you for the following step or process that you need to know or you need to undergo in order for you to be able to successfully list your car as part of their car rentals. And it will show you also some of the benefits and also feature that you could also avail upon listing your own car as car rentals. And from here, it will show you some of the car rentals and Turo differences or the advantage of Turo platform. But in terms in booking a car, almost all of these are just the same, since if you go to your booking.com account and select car rentals below, all you need to do is simply enter your pickup location and also enter the pickup date, time, and drop-off date in here. So for instance, we're going to enter the pickup location, for example, Makati. So just simply select your address below here of the result, and after that just click the search button to proceed, in which upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to see here that it has been checking all of the top companies to find the best deals. So all you need to do is wait for it to load, and it will show you all the result of the available car in here with the corresponding prices and also number of seats and different kind of car color in here, which is also the same on how Turo.com actually book by the customer by simply entering here the location such as city, airport, and any kind of location in here. And upon clicking the cities below, it will show us that we can simply click the search bar, but you first need to enter the date from and also the time in here. And upon searching it, all you need to do is wait for it to load, in which it will show us in here all the result of the car that is available or the car that you can book on a specific date that you enter in here. And it will show us in here the corresponding prices also and the number of star of each car in here. So basically, Turo.com and also Booking.com also offer the same kind of services, so listing in any of these car rentals platform will help you to start earning money by listing your car. But you firstly need to fill out all of the required information to do so. But overall, that is just basically how you can start listing your car on Booking.com. Thank you.